Have you ever wondered how can you get a similar zoom effect without having the zoom in the original video? Well, you can do it very simply in Filmora. Let's get started. Welcome to Want to Step. In this video, we're going to see how we can zoom in our video in Filmora. First, let's import our file, add it to our timeline. Now the requirement. Let's say we want the flowers at the back to be zoomed in. How can we do it? Well, we're gonna need to double click on this video. Now here, add a keyframe by click this diamond. Okay, now shift this playhead couple of frames from this frames here, 4 frames forward. Now again, double click on this video, click on this animation, click on this diamond shape. Now scale, you can adjust it to make 200. All right, then click enter, adjust in the preview where you want to our flowers are zoomed in. Now click OK. You want to stay the video to be zoomed in at this place. Few seconds like so. Go and again double click on this video, add keyframe by diamond shape. Now keep it to 200 and OK. Now again few frames back, again double click and then click this diamond shape. Now back to 100, press enter. Now adjust the video to where you want to position it. Now click OK. Let's see how the video has turned out now. That's how you zoom in Filmora. If you enjoyed this video, do like this video, and for future video updates, do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.